Periscope, here we are. Riveting Entertainment. This is where I edit all of my videos. All the music videos you're about to start seeing. Me and my homie Pascal did this too, and on the wall. I'm gonna walk to the office. They let a nigga in the corporate office. So this is where all the magic happens. Riveting Entertainment. These guys are very important guys. See this man right here? Yeah, he doesn't even know what he's on right now, but he's the man right here. These guys are it. See it? We did this wall in here. The old record player. You know, we gotta. Man, we did a lot of videos, man. Oh, he's in the process of doing one right now. I don't want you guys to see it yet. What's up, family? You good?
See you, man. I'm Josh.
We got Josh over here working really hard. I did this on the wall. It's kind of dope. I'm not letting you guys see the other video yet. I'm just walking around. We got a lot of videos done over the past couple of years. Pretty dope, man. So, we're just putting something together for you guys. Real special for this album, so just waiting. I'm not gonna let y'all see everything. I'm only gonna invite you. Appreciate it. So, I'm about to get started.